We're super excited about our latest review. We work very hard to meet everyone's needs, and we really value hearing 5-star reviews like this one. Now we're sharing it with you. This is one of our favourites because we go to great lengths to constantly work on improving our processes and making sure everyone gets the best service possible. So online feedback like this is always appreciated, and we love sharing it with others. 5-star experiences are great, and our goal is to keep earning those reviews. Let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Feel free to contact us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had the chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.